media personalities, news folk, people who we all know and supposedly used to like, they're all going to be accountable one day. And they all will hang their heads in shame in one way or another. This week I sent I think most of you will be familiar with the platform and Sean Plunkett. So I started listening to Sean not long ago. And I thought, oh, there was a glimmer of hope there in my heart for Sean. And I've made several attempts to contact him, but it was clear he didn't want to talk to me. I'm just willing to have a conversation, an open and frank conversation. I've been collecting information and evidence against the government and the vaccines for that past 18 months, and I have a mountain of it. I sent a text to Sean, I think it was Wednesday morning, and I said, Sean, if you'll permit me, I have a massive file of documents about the Pfizer vaccines, evidential documents that could help you understand, those of us in the freedom movement, what we are trying to convey to those people who choose not to see what we're talking about or even hear it. He started to read out the text on the air, and then he went, oh, no. You can go and whistle Dixie somewhere else, he said. That is a clear indication of somebody who's choosing not to acknowledge anything else except his own rhetoric. He's right that I am wrong. I said, in the text I said, how about you take all of my documents and give it to somebody of your choosing to have them evaluated, have them reviewed, and let them come up with their story, standing for truth. And he denied that. So if I'm looking at somebody like Sean Plunkett from the platform who declares he's the resistance, he's certainly not the resistance. And he's certainly not worthy of my time. Nor is anybody else in the media. And I think we have to come to expect that. No one is coming to our rescue. We are the people we've been waiting for. All of us. I'd like you all to know that each of you who has a device known as a phone, that's a media broadcasting company right there. If you are not broadcasting, I'm guilty of it. If you're not broadcasting daily, talking about what you know, how you feel, the injustices, what it is to be human, standing for mankind, if you're not doing that, you're letting the team down. We've all got each other's backs. We're all there in support for one another. We come from all walks of life. I'm privileged to know every one of you, and I'm privileged to be standing beside you. We've got momentum. We just need to keep it rolling. It's like the train pulling out of the station. All the inertia is at the beginning. But once that baby's rolling, you can't stop it. And you can't stop truth. You cannot stop truth. Thank you very much.